In today's video, I'll show you how to install vegetation mods with NaturalVision Evolved in GTA 5 Enhanced to make the world look greener, fuller, and more realistic. Check my video description for this video link. If you doesn't have installed the NaturalVision Enhanced, then follow this video steps and install the NaturalVision Enhanced. Once you're done installing that, check my video description for these three mods. Once download done, right click on this GTA 5 Remastered Enhanced and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open this GTA 5 Enhanced, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Scroll up, open this ONIGIRI, open DLC packs, drag and drop this V Remastered folder inside. Now open this installation, scroll down, copy this DLC list name, then close tab here and go back to game folder, open on Giri common data and click on the DLC list and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Next to item, press enter and paste the text we copied. Using the spacebar, align this. Now select file and select save and minimize this. We need to edit lots of more things. Go back to the game folder, open ONIGIRI TLC packs. Now go back, open vegetation reflection, GTA 5 enhanced vegetation reflection folder, drag and drop inside this TLC packs. Open this installation, scroll down. You can able to see this text. Add a new line under, copy this line and go back to DLC list. Next to item, press enter, paste the text we copied, align this and then select file and select save option. Minimize this and go back the final mod, forest of Sanal Race GTA 5 enhanced. Drag and drop these two folders inside of DLC packs. Open the installation, scroll down, copy this under add a new line, copy this and then go back to DLC list, scroll down. Next to item, press enter and paste the DLC list. Align this. Again, copy the same and press enter, paste this, align. We added two folder. One name is forest underscore n, another one is forest underscore s. So change this n to s. We have successfully renamed those two in the DLC list. Select file and select save option and done. Just close tab here and launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this vegetation mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.